you are new, my name is Sha'Naya O'Shea. If you are returning, hi, hello. I have the worst intros, bro. I don't know what to say, but whatever. So I already started because I just filmed some content for my Instagram. Today I'm going to be working on squeeze tube wholesale. I have 2 orders to get done. So one of the customers chose all of these colors right here, and then the other customer chose this one. She wants 20 of these. Goal Digger, Goal. I be so annoyed when people put gold. It's not gold, it's goal, Goal, digger. Goal Digger is cotton candy scented. Simplicity is watermelon scented. Then we have High Class, cookies and cream scented. Millionaire is vanilla scented, and Obsessed is strawberry scented. So the first customer, she wants 4 of each. So I'm trying to figure out how I'm gonna do this because I do need some squeeze tube content for my Instagram because I'm always posting want to, but I do want to get more sales for my squeeze tube wholesale. So I guess I could do 3 of each. And then I don't know if y'all can see, but I have 4 jars right here. I have to fill those. Those are all unscented, no oils. That customer ordered 2 for keeps and 2 of Wealthy. So a new gloss and a glitter gloss. This gloss is so beautiful, but it is so slept on. Like, it's so slept on. Like, look how pretty this gold gloss is. It's so beautiful. Okay, so I just found some content for Instagram. Now I'm about to put the stoppers on real quick. And then I'm going to give them a quick little wipe down. And then put the tops on. And these are both, I don't know if I said it, but these are both silver top squeeze tube wholesale orders. Let's put these tops on real quick. Then I'm gonna take some pictures. So I got some more content. Then I'm gonna get a good swatch video. These are the swatches for these glosses. I think I did a pretty good job for these swatches. They usually be messy, but this is cute. So starting from the top, we have Gold Digger, Obsessed, Simplicity, High Class, and Millionaire. So I'm gonna come back after I have the gloss in the bowl and we're gonna finish this up. Okay, so I added the glitter off camera. It's so pretty, but so messy. Let's go ahead and mix. And here are the jars, all unscented, no oils, for keeps and wealthy. I'm about to go ahead and pack these up. Make sure you check out the pack with me video. Support the content, okay? But yeah, I hope that you all enjoyed the video. If you're interested, click the link in the description box, Sha'NayaOsheaBeautyBar.com. Wholesale products are available in retail, and we also have samples available if you would like to try our glosses out. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and end it here so I can pack up these orders and get them shipped off today. Thank you so much for watching.